The method of undetermined coefficients. See here, this method is feasible, or the method of undetermined coefficients is feasible when x is a linear combination of e to the power ax, trigonometrical functions such as sin x, cos bx, or some polynomials. Here we need to find particular solutions. For this, we are using this method of undetermined coefficients. And the finding of complementary function we will do as such as we have done earlier. See, when x is a polynomial, see the example. This example is not good. See this example 2. It is more better for you. See, solve d2y by dx2 plus 3 dy by dx plus 2y equal to x cube plus x. See here solution. The second member x is equal to x cube plus x. It is a polynomial of the third degree. See here x cube means it is of third degree. So we will take y as ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Here a, b, c, d are not known to us. That is why this method is called method of undetermined coefficients. And we need to find these four coefficients a, b, c, and d. Now apply here on y differentiation of first order and second order, since this equation is of second order. So evaluate ddx of y, it will be 3 times a into x square plus 2 times b into x plus c. Again differentiated with respect to x, so it will be d2y by dx2. So its value is 6ax plus 2b. Now substitute the values of dx dy by dx and d2y by dx2 in the given equation, with y is written as this one, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Our equation will be 6ax plus 2b plus 3 into 3ax square plus 2bx plus c plus 2 into ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to x cube plus x. See, this is the value of d2y by dx2 plus 3 into this is the value of dy by dx plus 2 into this is the value of y, and this is your right hand side function x. Now this can be written as 2ax cube plus 9a plus 2b x square, means take the coefficients of x square at one place from the right hand side, from the left hand side, plus 6a plus 2b plus 2c into x, 6ax plus 6b, this is your 3 into 2 6bx, so 6b here plus 2c, this is your 2cx, so 2c is here, plus the constant terms, so this is 2b plus 3c plus 2d, this is equal to x cube plus x. Now equate the like powers of x. So this is your 2a, coefficient of x cube is 2a, here coefficient of x cube is 1, so 2a is equal to 1. Next, coefficient of x square is 9a plus 2b, so it is 9a plus 2b, but to the right hand side there is no x square, so its coefficient is 0, so this is equal to 0. Now the coefficient of x is 6a plus 6b plus 2c here, and here is coefficient of x is 1, so this is equal to 1. Next, the constant term is 2a plus 3c plus 2d, and right hand side there is no constant term, so it is equal to 0. We solve these four equations since we have four unknowns a, b, c, and d, and we are having four equations, so they can be evaluated. Solving, we get a is equal to 1 by 2, b is minus 9 by 4, c is 23 by 4, and d is minus 51 by 8. Substitute these value of a, b, c, and d in your this one, y is equal to x cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. So this y is equal to 1 upon 2 4x cube minus 18 square plus 46x minus 51. So this is our particular integral. This is part of our particular integral, and you can evaluate your complementary function as earlier. So its auxiliary equation will be m square plus 3m plus 2 equal to 0. So after factorizing, we will get m plus 1, m plus 2 is equal to 0, means m is equal to minus 1 and minus 2. So complementary function will be c1 e to the power minus 1x plus c2 to the power minus 2x. So add this complementary function to this particular integral, equate to y, that will be your complete solution. Next, if x is of the form c into e to the power ax. See, the given equation is d2y by dx2 minus 3dy by dx plus 2y is equal to 4 into e to the power 3x. Here the auxiliary equation will be m square minus 3m plus 2 equal to 0. Substitute dy by dx for m. So after it can be factorized as m minus 2 into m minus 1 is equal to 0. So m is equal to 2 and 1. Therefore, the general solution will be y is equal to c1 e to the power 2x plus c2 e to the power x. This is our complementary function. See here, to find the particular integral, we take yp is equal to k into e to the power 3x. See, this is of e to the power 3x, and 3 is not a root of this equation. 3 is not m is not equal to 3. So we will take particular integral equal to k into e to the power 3x. Now differentiate it with respect to x first and then second. So yp dash will be 3k e to the power 3x and yp double dash will be 9k e to the power 3x. Substitute the values of these three in your given equation. So this is equal to yp double dash minus 3yp dash plus 2yp is equal to 4 into e to the power 3x. So after substitution, this is 9k e to the power 3x minus 3 into yp dash is 3k e to the power 3x plus 2k e to the power 3x. Since it is yp, 2yp is equal to 4 into e to the power 3x. These two terms cancel each other. So it is 4k e to the power 3x is equal to 4 e to the power 2x. E to the power 3x means 2k is equal to 4. So k will be 2. Hence yp is 2 into e to the power 3x. So this is our particular integral. This is our complementary function. Add both of them, equate to y, that will be your complete solution. See, hence the complete solution of the equation is y is equal to yg plus yp is equal to c1 e to the power 2x plus c1 e to the power x plus 2 into e to the power 3x. So the next is our when x involves trigonometrical functions such as sin x or cos x. See here, solve d2y by dx2 minus 3 dy by dx plus 2y is equal to sin 2x by the method of undetermined coefficients. It is written in the problem that use solve this equation by the method of undetermined coefficients. You may solve this equation by our earlier methods, but it is given in the problem that use the method of undetermined coefficients. So stick to this method. See here, the auxiliary equation will be m square minus 3m plus 2 equal to 0. So m minus 2, m minus 1 is equal to 0. It means m is 2 and 1. These two values of m. And so our complementary function will be c1 e to the power 2x plus c2 e to the power x. And for particular integral, take yp is equal to a sin 2x plus b cos 2x. Since it is sin 2x type, so we will take a sin 2x plus b cos 2x. Now differentiate it with respect to x, so it will be yp dash. It is equal to 2a cos 2x minus 2b sin 2x. Since differentiation of sin 2x will be 2 cos 2x. Differentiate it once again. So yp double x will be minus 4a sin 2x minus 2b cos 2x. Differentiation formula you need to remember. Now substitute the values of yp double s, yp dash, yp in the given equation. So your problem will be minus 4a sin 2x minus 4b cos 2x. This is yp double s minus 3 into yp dash. So 2a cos 2x minus 2b sin 2x here plus 2y plus 2 into y is x square sin 2x plus b cos 2x. It is equal to sin 2x. So take sin 2x common in the left hand side. So minus 4a plus 6b minus 4a plus 6b sin 2x plus 2a sin 2x plus minus 4b minus 6a plus 2b cos 2x. See here, minus 4b minus 6a plus 2b, and this is equal to sin 2x. Now compare the coefficients of sin 2x and cos 2x from both sides of equality. So it is minus 2a plus 6b is equal to 1 because here sin coefficient of sin 2x is minus 2a plus 6b, and here we have the coefficient of sin 2x is 1. So this is 1, and the coefficient of cos 2x is minus 2b minus 6a, but on the another side of equality there is no cos 2x, so it is equal to 0. Solving these two, we get a is equal to minus 1 by 20 and b is equal to 3 by 20. So our particular integral will be x sin 2x plus b cos 2x. So it is minus 1 by 20 sin 2x plus 3 by 20 cos 2x. And the complete solution will be y is equal to cf, this one, plus particular integral, this one. It means y is equal to c1 e to the power 2x plus c2 e to the power x minus 1 by 20 sin 2x plus 3 by 20 cos 2x. There is one more example with different function capital X. We will discuss it tomorrow. If you have any query for now, so you can ask me your questions, or you can email me, WhatsApp me, or call me. And all this lecture will be available on my YouTube channel. If any one of you missed the class, ask them to go through my YouTube channel, and there you will find all the lectures of differential equations.